Hi everyone, and welcome back to SpeakFlow English. I'm Ethan, and today we'll explore 70 everyday English sentences you can use to sound natural, polite, and confident. You'll hear real examples and clear explanations for each one, from greetings to shopping to making plans. Let's get started with the first category, social openers and greetings. Social openers and greetings. 1. Small world, isn't it? This phrase means you're surprised to meet someone in an unexpected place. Imagine bumping into your old classmate at the airport or meeting a friend of your cousin in another city. It's a friendly, light-hearted comment that shows the coincidence feels special. Wow, small world, isn't it? 2. What have you been up to lately? This is a warm and personal way to ask, what's new in your life? It invites real conversation instead of just, how are you? Perfect for reconnecting with someone you haven't seen for a while, maybe a colleague or an old friend. Hey, it's been a while. What have you been up to lately? 3. It's been ages means we haven't seen each other in a very long time. Shows both surprise and a bit of guilt. Maybe you kept meaning to reach out but never did. Wow, it's been ages. How have you been? 4. You're looking well. A polite compliment meaning you look healthy and happy. It's more mature than you look great because it doesn't focus on appearance too much. Hey, you're looking well these days. 5. How's everything on your end? Used often in emails, video calls, or messages. It means, how are things in your work or personal life? Hi Mark, just checking in. How's everything on your end? 6. Can't complain, really. Means, I'm fine. Not amazing, but nothing bad either. It's humble, balanced, and natural. Can't complain, really. 7. Same old. Means nothing new. Life is just the same. How's work? Oh, same old, same old. 8. Been keeping busy. A polite question when you're not sure what someone has been doing lately. It's casual, friendly, and easy to use with colleagues or neighbors. 9. Nice catching up. Say this at the end of a short chat, maybe after running into a friend. It means, it was great talking to you again. Nice catching up. See you soon. 10. Drop me a message sometime. Means, feel free to text or call me when you want. It's friendly but relaxed, inviting future contact without pressure. Shopping and services. 1. Could you tell me more about this one? Polite and shows interest in a product. Could you tell me more about this one? 2. Is there a warranty included? Use this when you want to know if the product is protected if it breaks. Is there a warranty included? 3. Do you offer any discounts? A tactful way to ask about price reduction. Do you offer any discounts right now? 4. Can I try this on? Means, may I see if it fits before buying? Can I try this on? 5. That's a bit outside my budget. A polite way to say something is too expensive. That's a bit outside my budget. 6. Let me think about it. Use this when you're not ready to decide. Let me think about it. 7. I'll come back for it later. Means, I might return to buy it, or maybe not. I'll come back for it later. 8. Do you have this in a different color? Polite way to ask for alternatives. Do you have this in blue? 9. Can I bring this back if it doesn't fit? Always smart to ask before buying. Can I bring this back if it doesn't fit properly? 10. I think I'll leave it. Thanks. A graceful way to say no. I think I'll leave it. Thanks. Cafés and restaurants. 1. Could we get a table by the window, if possible? Polite seat request. Could we get a table by the window, if possible? 2. I'll have the grilled salmon, please. Natural way to order food. I'll have the pasta, please. 3. Would you mind giving us a few more minutes? Means, could you come back later for our order? Would you mind giving us a few more minutes? 4. Could we get this to take away? Means, can we have this food with us? Could we get this to take away, please? 5. Excuse me, I think this isn't what I ordered. Polite way to report a mistake. Excuse me, I think this isn't what I ordered. 6. Is service included? Means, does the bill include the tip? Is service included? 7. Could I see the wine list, please? Polite request for menu. Could I see the dessert menu, please? 8. I have a food allergy. Does this contain nuts? Important for safety. I have a dairy allergy. Does this contain milk? 9. Everything was fantastic, thank you. Friendly compliment. Everything was fantastic, thank you. 10. Can we have separate bills? Means, can we pay individually? Can we have separate bills, please? Workplace English. 1. Let's catch up later this week. Means, let's talk again soon to check progress. Let's catch up later this week. 2. Could you clarify what you meant by that? Used to politely ask for explanation. Could you clarify what you meant by that? 3. Just to double check, we're meeting at 2, right? Friendly confirmation. Just to double check, we're meeting at 2, right? 4. I'm afraid I won't be able to make it. Polite way to say you can't attend. I'm afraid I won't be able to make it. 5. Would it be possible to rearrange? Polite request to move a meeting. Would it be possible to rearrange? 6. Let me copy you in on this email. means I'll include you in the email conversation. Let me copy you in on this email. 7. That's a great point. I hadn't thought of it that way. Shows respect and agreement. That's a great point. I hadn't thought of it that way. 8. Let's table that for now means let's pause this topic and return later. Let's table that for now. 9. I'm happy to take the lead on this. Shows initiative and confidence. I'm happy to take the lead on this. 10. Let me come back to you on that means I'll find the answer and tell you later. Let me come back to you on that. Making plans and social arrangements. 1. Are you free this weekend? Friendly way to start making plans. Are you free this weekend? 2. Do you want to grab a coffee sometime? Casual invitation. Do you want to grab a coffee sometime? 3. Let me check my diary means I'll see if I'm available. Let me check my diary. 4. I might have to take a rain check means I can't this time, maybe later. I might have to take a rain check. 5. Let's play it by ear means let's decide later. We'll play it by ear. 6. Sounds good to me means I agree. Sounds good to me. 7. I'm not really feeling up to it today means I don't have the energy or mood. I'm not really feeling up to it today. 8. Could we move it back a bit means can we delay or rearrange? Could we move it back a bit? 9. Let's pencil it in means let's plan it but not confirm yet. Let's pencil it in for next Friday. Conclusion. And that brings us to the end of today's lesson. You've just learned 70 essential English sentences for everyday life. Practice them regularly and they'll soon become natural. Remember, fluency isn't about speaking fast, it's about speaking comfortably. Thanks for listening to SpeakFlow English. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and I'll see you in the next episode.